Erase all settings, media, and data for all volumes on your MacBook. This removes activation lock and permanently deletes everything on your device. It's a good idea to back up your data using Time Machine so you can restore it after the factory reset. Click the Apple logo at the top left of your screen and open System Settings. Click on General on the left side, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset on the right. Click on Erase all content and settings. Enter your Mac login password to allow the changes. During this process, you'll be signed out of your Apple account and all Touch ID fingerprints, purchases, accessories, Find My Sharing, and activation lock will be removed. Click Continue and enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Wait while your account is verified with Apple servers. Make sure your MacBook stays connected to a stable internet connection. While the erase is happening, your MacBook may restart a few times. Don't interrupt it until you see the welcome screen. Set up your MacBook again using your existing Apple ID or create a new one. That's it, you're all set. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates.